Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a haul from The Range and Hobbycraft. Yeah, so I thought I'd pop on and share what I picked up. It's not a massive haul, but it's a few bits. The Range, pretty much most of the bits are in the sale, and then Hobbycraft is just essential bits that I needed. So I'll start with The Range first. So I've never had this. I normally have, I'm trying to think what make it is now. It's like the blue, is it stick on or I'm not sure, from The Range. I normally get that double-sided tape. So they didn't have that. They were all out of stock. So I picked up this general purpose ultra tape. I've never used this. So I'm hoping, if anyone's used this, let me know what it's like. I'm hoping it's good. It's 12 millimeters. I think it's the same, it's like £1, same as the other one, but I just know the other one really sticks well and I've always used it, so hopefully this will be no different. So I got a couple of those because I needed some more of that because I run out. And then got some dies. I got this one, I thought it was quite nice. It says congrats, it says, and it's kind of like arched. I thought that would be quite nice if you do like a shaker and you do like a circle. You could put that kind of around the shaker. Does that make sense? Yeah, or like if you've got an image, you can arch it over the top of it. I just thought it's quite nice. I don't have any die that says congrats, so I thought that would be quite nice. This was 32p. I'm not sure if that's gone down again. I don't think I've got my receipt to hand, but I know some of them were cheaper. I don't know if this is my receipt. No, that's an older one. Yeah, so some of them had gone down, like reduced further in price, but anyway, so I got that one. Then picked up this one. This one is by Tonics, and I just thought that was really cute for a nice sort of, you know, aeroplane kind of themed card. And it's quite a nice size. You can see my hand. It's quite big. Yeah, I just thought that'd be quite nice on a card or project or something. It's something different. I haven't got anything. It says toy plane. So yeah, that one was $2.50. Then the next one I picked up was this by First Edition. It's a Christmas die, which obviously, I suppose, I mean, I know people that craft Christmas all throughout the year, so but I might probably put this away for next year. But yeah, I just thought it was a really nice die for $3.75. It's really big. I mean, it would do a whole big card. So it cuts out, I presume, in one piece. So if you had a white card, say for the base, all the black is how it cuts out. Does that make sense? And obviously you can paper piece and put things behind and what have you. I just thought that'd be really nice. Pretty much does a card straight away. It's quite easy, you know, if you did that and then just put like Merry Christmas or something on it, that's pretty much the card done, isn't it? So I thought that was quite nice. You get a free magnetic storage sheet with it, and I just thought that was really nice for $3.75. So I picked up that one. Then picked up, I think this is the only stamp I got. I don't have many background stamps, so I picked up this one. It is by Do Crafts, Creativity Essentials, clear stamp, £2, and I mean, it is massive. It doesn't say I packaged in an A5 pocket, so it comes actually packaged in an A5 storage sheet. So it was, what does it say? Yes, I presume it was originally £9.99 and it was down to £2. So I thought that was really nice. Something different, something I don't have. I thought that'd make a really nice background. on a card or project on that. Next thing I picked up was some of these X-Cut metal effect sheets. It's adhesive. I didn't know they were adhesive. So that's handy. You get 20 pieces in each pack. What is this one? Does it have a name? They were down to £3. Well, this one was down to £3. Metal effect. It doesn't actually state like a. Oh, it says pinks. So I guess these are all like pink colours in here. That's what it says. But yeah, I just thought they would be quite nice for Valentine's, those sort of colours. And then this one I got, and again it's A5, and this was down to £2.50, but you only get 10 in this one, and these are all glittery. Again, I thought these would be quite nice. Valentine's, Eastery, that sort of spring colour. So yeah, and this I think is, yeah, adhesive glitter sheets. So I've never had this before. I don't know how it cuts and all that, but I thought I'd give that a go. So that's the range, and then the next few bits was from Hobbycraft. I picked up this was in the sale. I think this was £1 or less. It might actually have been less than £1. I think this was like 50p. They had loads of dies and embellishments, things all in the sale, but I don't need any of it. So it was the only one I really liked. And I saw this before Christmas, but I knew that it'd go down up like a couple of days after Christmas, so I waited for that. Yeah, it's just a little post box, and you can layer, that's the little bit you can layer on there, and then this is the snow piece, and that's what it would look like when you've put it all together. I thought that was really cute on cards and things, so I picked up that one. And then the last two things is cardstock. So I picked up this white cardstock. You get 100 in the pack, 300 GSM cardstock by Hobbycraft. It's just their make, so I picked up that one. And then the last one I picked up was this, because I thought these were like, hold on, if I show you this way you can see all the different colours. I thought these were like spring, summer, that kind of colours, which I don't have many of. And then this is a 200 pack, and they are 160 GSM. And again, it's the Hobbycraft make. These were in the sale. I want to say they were £8. Oh, they could have been cheaper. Yeah, I think they were about £8 or cheaper. So I got those, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.